Hello my friends, welcome to your practice. Today we're exploring a bit more breath work, and this technique is based on a bee's breath that I've shared before in my Take Care of You Autumn program. If you weren't a part of that, don't worry about it. I hope that this variation will be interesting for you to use and will support you to find a clear channel of expression, or just to manage stress, anxiety, overwhelm, etc. So for this, we're going to use a mudra, which is gently holding our neck. And if that doesn't feel good for you, you could just rest your hands somewhere that feels comfortable for you. So no pressure with that. But if you are joining me in this, find your seat or kneeling position. You could also be in a chair. Rest your hands and just take a moment to drop in. So I find it helpful to close my eyes. And if that's not comfortable, you could lower your gaze towards the ground. And then just feel into your seat, whether you're touching a chair, whether you're on the floor or using a prop beneath you. And then see if you can imagine this channel that's running through you, this channel of energy. In Sanskrit, they refer to it as Sushumna. So it's this kind of central channel that runs from the base right out through the crown of the head. And just take a couple of breaths here. Maybe with your inhale, you can imagine just drawing the breath up from the ground, all the way through that center channel, right out through the crown of the head. And as you exhale, just draw the breath back down. Just breathing at your own pace. And on your next inhale, just see if you can draw the breath to the throat area. This wheel of energy, throat chakra, a place of expression, communication, speaking, listening, truth, connection. And then we'll begin the breath with the mudra. So just take the hands and you can just take them to the sides of your neck. Just a light hold. And we're going to inhale, and then as we exhale, it's going to be a hum. It's going to go something like this. So as you exhale, you're humming and releasing the breath and using sound. It can be any tone, really doesn't matter. If you're feeling orcs, just invite the orcs into the room and then also open the window. Embrace the awkwardness. And then when you're ready, we're going to go together, but obviously breathe at your own pace. So we'll begin. First with hands to the sides of the neck. So you're going to try and release all the breath. You're going to inhale again. This time you're going to take one hand to the front of the throat, the other at the back, inhaling. And then exhaling, humming again. Inhaling again, hands to the sides of the neck. On your exhale, humming once again. Again, inhaling. This time opposite hand in front, hand at the back, and as you exhale, humming it out. So just continuing. If you find that you've got the need to swallow or lick your lips, please take a break to do so until all the breath is out. And then inhaling once again, replace hands to the sides of the neck. Exhaling with your hum. At the end of your exhale, just release the hands. Take a couple of breaths. Just noticing how you feel. And you might focus the breath still in this area, this center of energy at the throat, the neck. Or if you want to return to the breath, inhaling from the base up the center channel to the crown, and then returning on the exhale from crown to root. And as you breathe here, just appreciating your capacity for expression. And then just bring the palms together at the chest. Draw the chin towards the chest. Peel the eyes open. Look towards your fingertips. So still using the gaze. And then lift the head. Release the hands. How was that for you? I would love to know. One kind of takeaway that I would encourage you to explore in your own practice of this and is to do as many rounds as feels interesting to you. And as you are breathing and humming, maybe notice the kind of quality of the tone and the sound. It's not that it has to sound good at all. It's more about noticing whether the breath feels even, whether there's any kind of disparity, whether the voice actually is fluctuating. I definitely had that myself, and this happens, you know, this is life. It can be anything from dehydration to stress, anxiety. So just bear those things in mind as you go about your practice. But I find it can be helpful to return to this humming and just notice the kind of quality of the sound that you're expressing. Sometimes it can be more of a blockage in terms of maybe there's something that needs expressing that perhaps is kind of stuck. Maybe it's stuck in the heart, maybe it's kind of stuck in the throat, you know, lump in your throat, frog in your throat, these kinds of sayings. So yeah, as you explore this practice, maybe reflect on those kinds of things, and also feel really welcome to let me know in the comments box below how it was for you. I really hope you enjoyed that variation. Feel welcome to do it anytime. It's great before bed if you've had a long day. It's great in the morning as well to wet your whistle, so to speak, or just to drop in if you're having a big day. So sending all my love out from my throat. That's a horrible vision, but yeah, I hope it's helpful. Thank you for practicing with me.